Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you work, success still feels far away? You wake up early. You work all day. You stay busy from morning to night. Yet, at the end of the day, you still feel like you are not moving forward. If you have ever felt this way, then this video is for you. Because today, we are going to talk about a truth that can completely change your life. Working hard is not enough. Yes, you heard that right. Hard work alone does not guarantee success. The world is full of hardworking people who are exhausted, stressed, and still struggling. So, what makes the difference? The answer is simple. Smart work. In today's lesson, you will learn how to stop wasting your energy, protect your time, and achieve more without burning yourself out. So, watch this video till the end, because one idea from this lesson could completely transform the way you work and live. Lesson 1. Why hard work alone is not enough. Most people grow up believing one thing. The harder you work, the more successful you become. But real life doesn't always work like that. Imagine two people. The first person works 12 hours every day, but spends most of the time distracted, checking social media, replying to unnecessary messages, and doing tasks that don't really matter. The second person works only 4 focused hours, but knows exactly what to do and gives complete attention to those important tasks. Who do you think will achieve more? Obviously, the second person. Because success is not about being busy. Success is about being productive. Many people confuse movement with progress. Just because you are busy does not mean you are moving forward. You can run all day on a treadmill, but you will still remain in the same place. Ask yourself honestly, are you making progress, or are you simply staying busy? Lesson 2. The power of clarity. Smart work always begins with clarity. Before doing anything, ask yourself one question. What is my real goal? Without a clear goal, your energy gets scattered. You start saying yes to everything. You chase too many opportunities. You try to do too many things at once. And eventually, you become overwhelmed. Successful people understand something important. You cannot do everything, but you can do the most important things. Every morning, write down your top 3 priorities. Only 3. These should be the tasks that will move your life forward. When you focus on what truly matters, your productivity increases dramatically. Remember this: clarity creates power. The clearer your goal, the faster your progress. Lesson 3. Protect your energy. Your energy is more valuable than your time, because without energy, even free time becomes useless. Think about those days when you felt tired and exhausted. Even simple tasks felt difficult. But on days when your energy was high, you completed more work in less time. That is why successful people protect their energy carefully. They avoid unnecessary arguments. They stay away from negativity. They limit distractions. And most importantly, they learn to say no. Many people struggle because they try to please everyone. They accept every request. They attend every event. They say yes to every opportunity. As a result, they have no energy left for their own dreams. Remember this powerful line. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to something important. Protect your energy. Protect your future. Lesson 4. Focus is your superpower. We live in a world full of distractions, notifications, social media, messages, videos, endless scrolling. Today, focus has become one of the rarest skills, and because it is rare, it is extremely valuable. People who can focus deeply will always have an advantage. When you work, work with complete attention. Keep your phone away. Close unnecessary tabs. Eliminate distractions. Try working in focused sessions. Work for 45 minutes without interruption. Then take a short break. You will be surprised how much you can achieve. Remember, you do not need more time. You need better focus. Focus turns ordinary effort into extraordinary results. Lesson 5. The importance of rest. Many people believe that resting means being lazy, but this belief is completely wrong. Rest is not weakness. Rest is wisdom. Even machines need maintenance. Even athletes need recovery. So why do people expect themselves to work endlessly? When you rest, your brain recovers. Your creativity returns. Your focus improves. And your energy gets restored. Some of your best ideas will come when you are not working. During a walk, during a shower, or while simply sitting quietly. That is why rest should never make you feel guilty. Rest is not a reward. Rest is fuel. Without proper rest, success becomes impossible. So sleep well. Take breaks. Recharge your mind. Because a tired mind cannot create a successful life. Lesson 6. The power of consistency. Many people start strongly, but quit too soon. Motivation feels exciting in the beginning, but motivation never lasts forever. What truly creates success is consistency. Small actions repeated every day create extraordinary results. Reading 10 pages every day can change your knowledge. Practicing a skill daily can transform your future. Creating one quality video every week can build a successful channel. The secret is simple. Show up every day. Even when you do not feel motivated. Even when progress feels slow. Because success is not built in one day. It is built daily. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 1 hour every day is more powerful than 10 hours once a week. Lesson 7. Define success in your own way. Society often teaches us that success means money, fame, and status. But true success is much deeper. Real success means living with peace. Real success means enjoying the journey. Real success means growing as a person. Ask yourself, what does success truly mean to me? For some people, success means financial freedom. For others, it means helping others. For some, it means spending more time with family. There is no single definition. Create your own definition. Because when your success matches your values, life becomes meaningful. Final message. From today, stop saying, I will work harder. Instead say, I will work smarter. Protect your energy. Protect your peace. Focus on what truly matters. Rest without guilt. Stay consistent. And move forward with purpose. Remember, hard work builds strength. Smart work builds freedom. And when smart work is combined with focus, consistency, and peace, success becomes inevitable. You do not need to run faster. You simply need to move wiser. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because more life-changing lessons are coming soon. See you in the next video.